Here's why bad locations kill even beautiful flips. You can build the nicest property. You can have the nicest amenities. You can put the rooftop deck. But if the neighborhood doesn't feel safe, the public transportation's not there, it's not walkable, there's no good amenities, the school districts suck, the proximity to the jobs isn't there, you're not going to get a fast sale. What can I say? It's going to take you 90 to 120 days, half a year to get a deal sold. And it's not worth it. You'd rather buy the neighborhood, because when the neighborhood sells and the property sells, now you have the recipe. This is how you get a 30-day or less sale. And we've just done 3 flips that have sold in about 30 days or less in the last 3 months. So we're giving you data. I think that's what's unique about us. There are a lot of talking heads out there, but what we talk about, I'm constantly building houses. We are building 32 to 30, somewhere between 32 to 35 properties right now in today's market. So what we're talking about is very current, and you have to be current. I wouldn't be saying a lot of these things even 2 years ago, because supply was so low that it didn't matter. People are just looking for a damn deal anywhere. But now the market is starting to balance itself out as buyer demand is unlocked with lower interest rates. So you need to be more selective if you want to win.